would just like to show you some of the items that we do have to assist you with your moving needs. Now, do you currently have a lock?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Well, we do have our disc lock. It's only $9.99. It is a maximum security lock. You need this to store your goods and keep it secure.
Well, I don't currently have one, so sure, sounds great.
Okay, and before you leave, I noticed you mentioned you had a lot of Star Wars memorabilia. We do offer bubble wrap, and we have boxes in many sizes. If you order 5 boxes or more, we'll give you a nominal discount. How do you feel about that?
Well, I couldn't imagine my anniversary edition R2-D2 talking Yoda doll getting damaged in the moving process. Yes, put me down for 10 small boxes and a box of bubble wrap.
Sounds great. I'll just get this for you. Here you go. Alrighty. Anything else?
Well, I also have a bunk bed with 2 twin mattresses.
Okay, well we do sell our mattress bags, and with our twin mattress bags, you actually get 2 bags in one setting. I thought you lived alone.
Oh, I do.
Okay. Well, here's our twin bags. There you go. Wow, you have a lot of stuff. Let's get you rung up here. Alright, gotcha. Alright, so your total comes to $54.48. Alright. Now, I noticed you rolled up here in a unicycle. We do offer our U-Haul trucks. I do have a temporary truck for $19.95, and it's 79 cents a mile. How do you feel about that?
Well, sounds great. I lost the basket to my unicycle a month ago, so every little bit helps. Where do I sign up?